Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Catherine, and I'm a tax accountant with a passion for helping businesses and individuals maximize their tax savings while contributing to a sustainable future. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic, the electric vehicle charging station credit. This credit is not just a tax incentive, it's a step toward a cleaner, greener world. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear understanding of what the credit is, who can benefit from it, and how to take advantage of it. So, what is the EV charging station credit? The charging station credit is part of the U.S. government's broader initiative to reduce carbon emissions and encourage the adoption of electric vehicles. It's a federal tax credit available to both individuals and businesses that install qualified EV charging stations. The credit allows you to claim 30% of the cost of installing an EV charging station, up to a maximum of $1,000 for individuals and $30,000 for businesses. Let's talk about who can claim the credit. The credit is available to anyone who installs a qualified EV charging station, whether you're a homeowner, a business owner, or even a landlord. To qualify, the charging station must be installed on your property in the United States. The installation can be in a residential, commercial, or industrial location. One key requirement is that the charging station must be installed by the end of the tax year in which you're claiming the credit. For example, if you're claiming the credit for 2024, the installation must be completed by December 31st of 2024. You'll need to file IRS Form 8911 to claim the credit, and it's crucial to keep all documentation related to the purchase and installation costs of the charging station. Let's break down the financial benefits. For individuals, this credit can significantly reduce the out-of-pocket cost of installing a charging station. For businesses, the savings can be even more substantial, especially if you're installing multiple units. Beyond the immediate tax savings, having an EV charging station can increase the value of your property and attract eco-conscious customers and tenants, and potentially leading to long-term financial gains. By installing an EV charging station, you're not just saving money, you're contributing to a more sustainable future. Electric vehicles produce fewer emissions than traditional vehicles, and by making charging more accessible, you're helping reduce our overall carbon footprint. Here's a step-by-step guide to claiming the credit. Step 1 is you want to verify your eligibility. First, ensure that your charging station and the installation meet the eligibility criteria. Document. The next step is to gather all the necessary documentation, including receipts and installation records. Next, you'll complete IRS Form 8911 with the required information. This form will help you calculate the exact amount of the credit you can claim. And finally, you file your tax return. You submit the form along with your tax return. Remember, keep all copies of your documentation in case of an audit. While the credit can cover a significant portion of the installation cost, the initial investment might still be substantial, especially for commercial properties. Make sure you budget accordingly. Remember, the credit is non-refundable, meaning it can only reduce your tax liability to zero, but it cannot result in a refund. Any unused portion of the credit can be carried forward to future tax years. To wrap up, the EV charging station credit is a fantastic opportunity for individuals and businesses to save money while contributing to a sustainable future. By understanding the eligibility requirements and the process of claiming the credit, you can make an informed decision and take full advantage of this incentive. If you're considering installing an EV charging station or want to learn more about how this credit can benefit you, I encourage you to consult with a tax professional like myself or visit the IRS website for more information. If you have any further questions about the EV charging station or how it might apply to your situation, or would like personal advice, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me via email or landline. Make sure to follow and connect with me on my social media accounts for more tax and accounting content. Let's work together to create a greener, more sustainable future.